Well, I have just raced across the floor and I'm joined now by Nigel from GEA to take us through, well, exactly what they've been up to. We've got some rather impressive machinery behind us. How are you?
Yeah, we're absolutely fine. We had a great day yesterday, Louise. Really excited to be here. This is all about our customers and sharing experiences, sharing knowledge. You know, their pressures are our priorities.
Well, I absolutely love that phrase. Their pressures, your priorities. You heard it here first. So let's kick off then with something very easy. Can you tell anyone who perhaps doesn't know what GEA does? Tell us a bit about yourself.
We're a global business, really oriented around the food industry. So we have a complete food, healthcare technology division, which includes bakery, pasta, food processing, packaging. Today what we're doing is we're showcasing some of our key equipment. We have a vertical bagger here. We have an entry-level thermoformer. We have what we call an add better rotary drum forming, which is all about sustainability.
Well, that has been such a key word going around the entire floor, actually, yesterday in particular. So I'm looking forward to learning more about that today and what's going on within the industry.
Absolutely.
Can you tell us a little bit more about exactly what you're doing within the sustainability world and how you're trying to push this forward?
What we're trying to do is we're trying to make the customer experience, our customer experience, really positive in terms of understanding the sort of whole sustainability cycle for them. They're under pressure in terms of the provenance, under pressure in terms of energy efficiency, their costs, and their customers, the consumer, wants to understand where their food's coming from. And that's what we are trying to support in the UK.
Yeah, I mean, that's amazing, and it's fantastic to hear that companies such as yourself are really putting this as a priority.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Brilliant. All right, well, let's have a little look at some of these machines then. Which one should we have a look at to start with?
Yes, and Dean here will give us a quick demonstration.
Thanks, Dean. Talk us through what's going on.
Okay, so what's going on in here is this is a machine which basically produces a what we call like a vertical pack. So we fill from above the product, and then what happens here is we basically produce packs of product. So this is a high-speed machine running 120, 160 packs a minute in confectionery, in produce, in protein, really a complete market spreader.
Brilliant. Okay, and I should imagine that this is actually quite a popular one for people coming around to talk to you.
Yeah, market leader in many industries. Very, very popular yesterday. A lot of interest. Hopefully, we can see some of what's going on here.
I mean, if anything, it looks great as well, doesn't it? It's quite the eye-catching. So we've got this one going on here, which is one of the market leaders for you. You mentioned that one is really focusing on sort of sustainability. Is that over here?
Yeah, it's over here. Okay. Okay.
All right. We're coming right the way over here now to the other side of the GEA stand, and this is the one that's really sort of a bit of an innovation this year.
This is what we call an add better solution, which is really all about sustainability. It's all about understanding that it's best in class. So this machine here is basically used to, you can see rotary drum forming. This is set up to produce chicken nuggets in a high production environment. So this is doing like 5,000 kilos of chicken nuggets per hour. So next time you're in McDonald's, have a think about this.
Oh, you know what? Not something I've ever thought about, but I will every time I do now. That is going to go through my mind. I love that. Brilliant. Is there anything else that's sort of going on today for you that you want us to know about?
Well, look, what we have represented on our full GEA team is on the stand today. They represent all our divisions. So if the visitors here are interested in bakery, if they're interested in pasta, extrusion, food processing, packaging, like it's a one-stop shop. Come here, more than invited. We'll look after you.
I mean, come down. You're definitely going to get looked after on the GEA stand. There'll be something for you. But just before I let you go, Nigel, could you just explain to us sort of why you're here at PPMA Show, and why it's important that you show your face?
Yeah, PPMA is a showcase event, widely supported by our customers. This is an event we cannot not be here. You know, it's a meeting point for existing customers. It's a great place to meet some new customers as well. And it's understanding their experience. We get to share knowledge, we get to share trends, we get to share what's happening in the industry. Really, we want to fully support the food industry in all its guises.
Amazing. Nigel, thank you so much for taking the time to chat to us. Come down, meet Nigel and the team over on the GEA team. Thank you.
Thank you.